we are back again, people. Me don't know which part of them. I always don't know which part of them. But I'm there some hotel or some resort in a nigger. But the team Richard Brown Films on the set of a new movie. Not a new movie. Now they get down to business thing. Oh, new movie. Alright, talk to them, my boss. Let me get some intent fast.
Which color?
Hi, pretty. Hello, you. So, Mr. Brown.
Yo, Brown.
Just tell me what I go on.
Now back I boss. Yo, you say, bro.
You want to go on over here, so no. Not to give it too much, but I don't know what I go on.
Alright, so you don't know, let's get down to business is kind of, I wouldn't say a big budget movie, but one to kind of amp up the look at it.
Hold on. So this movie when I shoot, yes, I get down to business?
Yeah, man.
Oh, cool. All right.
You don't know, so there are certain elements where require a movie to kind of give off that impression. Like if you talk about dance ship and man, I make money and Ray, I figure that look there. So we just choose a little hotel to give off that little impression, that little scene. You see it?
Alright, boom. Alright, we get that.
You know, so, nope.
Miss Lady, you're playing a role in the Get Down to Business part of that. So tell me what I go on. What do you know about what you're doing here so far?
I'm not quite sure.
You're not quite sure. No feel no way because we always never quite sure when we are shooting with curious. So yeah, people. I don't know what else to tell. Getting some visuals and then we'll probably jump straight into the. Say that again?
Ask them if them like bread.
She says I'm to ask you guys if you like bread. I see something that you ask about like what?
Yep.
What would that question if you like bread?
I don't know.
Talk of TV, the pan set to my general.
Hey.
So
we there.
Before you even start talk.
Yeah.
YouTube channel name.
Talk up TV1, okay?
And where you upload over there, so?
Videos.
Yeah, YouTube, you have to be videos. But what kind of videos specifically?
We do movie, we do little thing, but we strictly at the movie straight now, you see me?
Alright, cool. So people, wanna hear that, definitely go over there. Give my strength. Tell them something I see them. I'm right, that's not here, man. What's the team there? So Mr. Brown.
Really made you laugh and shot them. Clink clink.
Be things. So, I could talk a little bit about camera equipment now, just before I go in at the shooting. We're still not sure if we are going there. So, Mr. Brown. What is this? What is this thing you have here?
What is that?
Yeah, what?
Oh, you know, say sometimes we need a little light depending on how dark the scene is. So. We don't left with light. You know what I'm saying?
So, question I know. About how much one are they lighter?
Alright, it come with a set. Set is for 250 US. That's for the set. One of the light battery them costs around maybe $70.
And one light and not enough whole heap at the time. So hold on, the light different from the stand though?
No, both time.
Everything come together.
Yeah. So it's a set. The stand come with it too.
Okay. So that's that for the equipment, and I have in my hands the Nikon Z6 with a fixed 35 lens and a Rode mic for good audio. Everything together. Sennheiser, correction. Sennheiser mic. So together, how much am I having in my hand cost? Everything together.
If we talk about how much it did cost, how much it costs now.
Tell them how much it costs now.
Probably now you probably can get the body for $1,500. You can probably get the speed boots where you spend that probably for maybe $160 something, and the lens you can get it for around $4 bills. So you run off everything for around $2 grand.
$2 grand. So camera, body, lens, Sennheiser mic.
No, probably around two fit everything. That's how you have.
Battery.
Two.
The filming world is very expensive. Yeah.
to that side.
Yeah, man, the two-bed thing that look like your wife and pick me up book you. You understand? Yeah. We can't have a boss a roll and have one room with two bed. No look good.
No look good at all.
You don't ask yours? No, you don't no look too right. Must have a wife and pick me a whole team of book you.
1 minute. The room have 2 beds in it?
Yes. All of our rooms have 2 beds.
All of them?
Alright.
Wow.
Just push it together.
1 bed. Yeah.